Hey, what's up, guys? It's Yuvan Pone here, and I just picked up God of War at GameStop, and I got the collector's edition, and I figured I would show you guys what's inside, so you can decide if you want to pick it up for yourself. So I already took it out of the box because it's kind of hard to do one-handed, so I figured I'd make it a little bit easier on myself. All right, so it comes in this box right here, and it tells you what's inside on the back. Comes with like cool statue and a bunch of other stuff. A lot of people are probably going to be getting the collector's edition for the statue. It's one of the main reasons I got it for. Plus, they got a bunch of in-game stuff you can get with it. And they got a really cool art design on the box. Very nice. I like it a lot. Got Kranos there. And then they got the God of War on the top. And it has a good art design on that too. Let me open that up. It's got I don't know what kind of writing this is. It's probably from in-game. I've played God of Wars before, but I'm not very fluent on it. So I haven't played one in a while. And the first thing on the top is the steelbook case, which is pretty nice. I've always been a kind of person for steelbook cases, you know. Nice artwork on it. It's got the same kind of writing symbol. And on the inside, it's got the digital rewards and stuff. And then the disc. It's pretty cool. Got the inside art on there. Let me pop that out. I don't think there's anything on the other side, but no. That's the inside of the case. Pop that back in there. Alright, so that's a steelbook. And they have it like this, and pull this out. So there's the game. And how do I open this? Okay, open it like that. Let me set this down for a sec. Okay, get that out. Alright, so in that there was, I don't know exactly what that is. This is like a cool map, I think it is. Have to see. Everything's taped pretty good in here. Oh wow, that's nice. It's like a, feels like a nice clothy material. It's wrapped around some kind of cardboard. But this is a nice like clothy material like you'd find on one of those, like on a nice shirt. It's got the rugged edges like an old map too. And you unfold it. Let me flip that over. Well, that's pretty dope. I think that's the in-game map. It's got the writing on it. It's got the cool compass and stuff. Pretty cool thing you can just keep around, put on something, maybe put on a wall. I don't know if I'd put nails in it, but pretty cool collector's item. Just put that over there. And I'm pretty sure this is the little figure things. Little game piece things. Over on the back. Pull that out. Oh yeah, yeah. Alright. Here they are. Very nice detail. That's why I really like the collector's editions, because you know they have they put very good detail into all of their work. Very nice. And you got this one right here. Got the little symbol right there. Very nice detail. Okay, I don't really know what this is. Probably a... Let me put this down for a second. Alright. Let me open this. Okay. So it's like kind of envelope thing. I don't think it opens. Oh, there we go. That's pretty cool. It's like a postcard. It's got all that. You can read that if you want. Pretty cool postcard. Got pretty good art detail. I think that's it in there. Yeah. Okay. So that was most of the stuff. The a lot of the in-game digital stuff comes on the receipt whenever you get the game. They give it to you. At least if you get it at GameStop, they do. They give it to you on a receipt. Alright, I'm gonna have to put my phone down for a second. I'm gonna get the statue out. This thing's a struggle. Come on. There we go. Alright. There we go. Okay, then you lift it up, and you got the cool statue that comes with it. I'm trying to be careful with this. Don't want to damage it. It gets connected with plastic. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, I'll get my knife. Alright, so they have it pretty nicely packaged so it won't break or anything. You gotta cut all this plastic around it because well, I think it's some kind of tape just to secure everything in there, which is a lot better than I've seen a lot of collector's editions, because for a lot of them they just like leave it sitting there and it can get damaged. I gotta say, it's a very nice presentation. From what I can see, it's a very nice statue too. Just gotta get it out of there. Yeah, I've heard a lot of good things about the game. I feel like it should be a lot of fun. I used to play play it all the time on my PSP back in the day. Yeah, let me put this down. There we go. Alright. So here it is. Pull that plastic off. Let me get all the plastic off. Alright, there we go. Now this is a very nice statue. Honestly, it's one of the best I've seen in a long time. One of the best collector's edition items I've seen in a long time too. You've got a lot of attention to detail, especially in Kratos. He's you can see all that. Like, dang. I don't know if these were hand painted, but they sure look like they were hand painted. Can't get it to really focus that good. There we go. Got his axe right there. It's got that cool trail on it. Killing that guy. And we got the kid with the bow. You got the arrow going right through him. Pretty nice attention to detail. You look around the back. All over. Looks really good. He's got his horn there. Got his jug. Nice shield. The symbol right there. Just very nice detail. Especially in the axe. Kratos himself. I'm liking the beard. And I don't know if I want to really pick it up. I want to see what's on the bottom. And on the bottom, can't really read that. What does it say? Oh, it's just like a serial number. But yeah, it's a pretty nice statue. I like it. And this is going to be one of the main reasons, in my opinion, that people are going to be getting the collector's edition, is for this really dope statue. Great piece to put on the shelf or wherever you keep your stuff. And yeah, that's about it. That's what comes in there. There's another tier above this. I forget what the name of it is, but it was basically the same thing. I just got the collector's edition because it came with the statue. The one above it just came with a little bit more in-game stuff. But yeah, it's got cool little chest-looking pieces. These probably have something big to do with the game, but I haven't played the past couple, so I wouldn't know. But I figured I'd pick it up. I've heard a lot of hype about it. Figured it'll be a cool game. Surely comes with a lot of cool items, collector's items. This map. If you want some gameplay of it, just let me know in the comments section, and I could probably get my PS4 hooked up to my computer so I could record some videos for you. Because it's gonna be a fun game. Alright, well, if you enjoyed seeing my video and seeing the content, please subscribe and leave a like and hit that bell so you get notified every time I post new videos, because I'll be posting videos about either openings or games I'm playing. Probably God of War. Probably start uploading some God of War on YouTube, because it's gonna be a fun game. Alright, well, thank you for watching my video, and thank you for staying tuned. Peace.